Hello, welcome back to another video. Today's video I will show you how to save $400 by using these two objects to remove your broken oil dipstick from your engine. Also, this video it will apply on a Toyota Camry and GMC Sierra or other. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Let's get it done. Okay, let's get started. So what you really need to do this job is to have a quilling stick or a Chinese chopstick to eat, or paper clip and a sharp box cutter or any knife, and then a narrow nose plier to use on with this one. Okay, as you can see, this is my broken oil dipstick right here. The thing is all the way down there. I took it to mechanic to get it out, and they're asking me to pay $400 because they had to take off the oil pan underneath the car, and then some kind of soft frame, something like that. So hopefully you have not paid the $200 or $400 yet. First, I'm going to use this chopstick to keep this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this one through here. Right in the middle, just like that. Okay, just like I did over here. I hope you can see it, how to focus like that. I cut it down and then cut it wire over here. So now if you kind of afraid, you can put the electric tape over here to make it stronger, but if not, it's okay. I'm going to use it like this, and I'm going to show right now. Okay, now just remember the piece in there is flat like this one over here, so look for which side is it. As we can see right now, but I can see without the camera. Here we go. It's going to take up a minute to get it out. Push it down there. As soon as you get it, hopefully it's out. No, not yet. Have to get in there like that, and then it's out. Okay, so that's one way of doing it without blocking your bank. And then as you can see over here, there is two pinhole over here. There's a small one on the top, and there is a big one on the bottom. That's how I saved my $400 last time. Okay, let's put it back in there just to do it the other way. In this time, I'm going to use a paper clip. This is the perfect part for this one. I mean, this is the perfect way. Paper clip, that's perfect one. Other, it may not work. Okay, hope you can see that, and open this one up like that. And then bend it over here, just like that. Okay, the reason you do it like this, because if you drop it down in there and you don't want another piece drop down in there, so make sure you do it like this. That way if you drop it, it won't go down there. And then after that, I straighten this up with my plier, and then now I can really, it's a little tiny over here. Just like that. It might be too big right now, but here you go. That's perfect. I really do it. It has to be that little, that way it will fit in that tube in order to hang on that hole. Now remember those two holes I showed you about, the small one and the big one. The reason I say a paper clip is perfect because it's way down here and way down there, but if you stick down there, it will be perfect. So now look for the holes and in the same side as well, just like that. Stick that in there. Hopefully you can see it or not, I don't know. And found a hole. It shouldn't be long to stay still. Okay, watch how this thing works. Oops, I can find the little hole. Here you go. Just like that. Yay. This is another way. Okay, so most of us, we got a paper clip hanging around or laying around, or chopstick like this, or any other stick like this one. Have to be this bamboo stick because they are strong and they straight, they can cut straight down. So, and then it's perfect size for this little tube over here. A magnetic antenna will not work, or any other thing will not work. So this is the method I found out. I hope this video helps you out or save some money. If it did, I mean, that's great. Also, how to fix it back. Okay, in this way, like put back here, you can see that little hole over there, and cut off the same paper clip you used to go in that hole. Just like this over here, you can see it maybe like that. Oops, drop it. Oh well, I lost that one. I made another one. Anyway, that it's hard to get it in a little bit, but hopefully make sure you cut it enough the link. Oops, like that. Okay, it doesn't, I don't know, hope you see it. Okay, now it will not come off. It's not sticking out here and not here. Perfect. All right. Why is it so hard to hit this hole? Okay, now. Perfect. Here you go. It's a fix. This video, it will work on a 2000 to a 2006 Nissan Sentra. This is a 2004. Just don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and share, and please subscribe if you can. I will appreciate that. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and there's a video here or here, either way, around here, and subscribe button somewhere in the bottom. If you see those, and click on this video and check out my other video. Hope you're having fun, and thank you and God bless.